Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word brainstorming. Let's practice together. Brainstorming. We are brainstorming. Let's start brainstorming. Brainstorming ideas. We need brainstorming ideas. Brainstorming helps us. We are brainstorming solutions. Brainstorming is important. Let's do brainstorming now. Brainstorming with the team. We enjoy brainstorming sessions. Brainstorming new ideas daily. Brainstorming improves creativity. We practice brainstorming often. Brainstorming leads to success. Let's schedule a brainstorming meeting. Brainstorming helps solve problems. We share ideas during brainstorming. Brainstorming creates new opportunities. Brainstorming is a team effort. We improve projects by brainstorming. Brainstorming makes work easier. Keep practicing brainstorming phrases. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you again in tomorrow's video.